Dear friends, it is with great pain and agony that we gather here today to mourn the very passing of our dearly beloved Belgium. Somebody console her, console her, console her. And our dearly beloved Germany. Don't cry, my sister. Don't cry, my sister. Now, we do not know why they were taken from us so quickly and unexpectedly. But one thing we can be assured of is that they are in a more comfortable and stress-free place. Can I get an amen? Because it is written to be absent from the World Cup is to be present at your yard. Come on, say this with me. Ashes to ashes, dust out to dust out. Come, let us stand and sing this hymn of remembrance. No, they will not gather at the finals, the beautiful, beautiful finals. No, they will not gather at the finals, the beautiful, beautiful finals. Hallelujah.